Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of my new custom aluminum thermostat housing. That's for my 2009 Toyota Yaris. The reason I wanted to get this made out of aluminum is because, especially for the cooling system, plastic parts, they break very easily and they don't last that long. Such as the thermostat housing, the filler neck, and the plastic that's on the radiators. Now, if you guys don't know, the chemicals in the coolant and the heat will break down the plastic parts that's attached to your cooling system. So the reason a lot of manufacturers make it out of plastic, most of those components out of plastic, is because it's a whole lot cheaper to make compared to making it out of aluminum. Plastic, all they gotta do is it's made out of injection molding. So they just make a mold, throw the plastic in it, and it's ready to go. I don't know the exact procedure, but it goes something like that. For aluminum, they'll have to make sure they make a good mold, then it's poured, and in some cases gotta get polished, and it's a whole lot more expensive. That's why a lot of car manufacturers is making the filler necks, plastic radiators, and thermostat housings. But if you want those components to be good and last forever, get them made out of aluminum. It's worth it in the long run. But let's get on with this unboxing. Like I said, it's made of aluminum. It weighs 0.3 kilograms. I believe that's 0.661, something like that, in pounds. Let's get this open. Alright, hold on for a sec. So this is the finish of it. And I will be getting this, well, this is a direct fit and everything. But I will be getting my filler neck also remade out of aluminum. And I will be replacing the factory radiator with a all aluminum one as well. So stay tuned for those videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.